So hello anime explorers, today we are going to enter the exciting realm where career options and anime collide. From the determined spirit of Naruto's I won't run away on my bird cause that's my ninja way to the iconic wisdom of Captain America's I can do this all day. We are encoding the lessons that fuel our dreams. So gear up in your favorite cosplay and join us in this quest to uncover the hidden treasures of ambition within the fictional universe.
My name is Raizi
Okay.
and I'm Goku.
Okay, which is your favorite anime character?
Okay, that's pretty obvious. But yeah, Goku is my favorite, not because of the anime character,
Correct.
because of the way his personality and his ethics are.
And how do you relate to his personality and ethics?
So, a few things that it's common in me in Goku is that I'm always there for my friends since my childhood, and I have a never giving up attitude, be it anything related, my life or personal or anything.
Well-
And I eat hell lot, to be honest.
And we can look at your
Yeah.
body right now. And like, what do you think? Goku is better or Vegeta better? And why?
I would say Vegeta is better
Okay.
because he is a very disciplined guy
Correct.
when it comes to family as well.
Correct.
Goku is very lethargic when it comes to raising a kid and stuff.
That's true.
Another thing what I like about Vegeta is that his struggle, I won't say struggle, it's hustle.
Okay,
The
yeah,
way he works towards its strength, towards its progress, and Prince is a Prince. So yeah,
No doubt in
Vegeta,
that, no
I
doubt
would
in
go
that.
with Vegeta
Okay.
over Goku in this one.
If you could have had any anime character as your career mentor, who would it be and why?
If I want a mentor, I would go with Grandpa Gohan.
Grandpa Gohan. Okay, and why?
Reason because nothing to do with the power or anything.
Yeah.
You know, he was a very simple man, and he literally calmed down the phase of Goku when he was literally a brat and rage and everything.
Yeah, that's
And at the same time, he maintained. So I think so. He had a way of life
Yeah.
where if that character would have been real life, I think so that could have been a best guru to anyone.
Anybody, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
So Grandpa Gohan.
How has watching anime influenced your career aspirations and choices in your life?
Anime has inspired me in a lot of ways. So professionally, I'm a singer.
Okay.
Actually, yeah. So like I make my own songs and stuff.
Understood.
So anime, the way, the emotions and everything. So I've improved a lot with my writing skills when I relate to the anime.
Correct,
A lot of
correct.
things for a career and even for your life. There are a lot of things you can learn from anime.
Correct. So you can learn your real life situations from anime.
Exactly,
itself, right?
exactly. The patience, the emotions, and everything what we see in anime do impact your real life.
Real life,
I
that's
have realized it. So yes,
That's why many people are into all that, correct?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. And like, are there any anime characters whose career paths you find aspiration?
then I think so. I should go with Baki.
Okay.
So at least I can definitely help people to learn to fight and MMA and stuff.
Surely.
So, yeah.
Your physics is literally showing that you're
So that is something I can go with a career. That's a great career
That's a
actually.
great
You can
career.
get name, fame, money, everything.
Yeah, athletic, yeah.
Yeah.
Athletic sponsors and all.
Exactly.
Yeah, can you just show Kavyama?
Yeah, sure.
Who are you right now?
I'm Pervy Sage.
Which is your favorite anime character?
I think that should be Nico Robin.
If you could have any anime character as your career mentor, who would it be and why?
I think it could be Sanji.
And why?
If you think about it, Sanji is on par with Zoro. He's very powerful.
Correct.
He's very powerful with his skills.
Okay.
But he only uses it for what's necessary.
That's true. That's
With
true.
his hands, he uses it only for cooking. But think about it, if he uses for sword fighting,
Correct.
he could be on par with Zoro.
That's
But
true.
that guy is dedicated to find the all blue. He wants to be the best chef ever. And Sanji is basically the person who will teach you what to do with your skills.
Well, very informative. That was very deep answer you gave me just right now. Which anime world would you choose to work in, and what profession would you pursue there?
I would be in the world of One Piece.
Okay.
I would be a pirate.
Okay, why particularly pirate? Any some personal connections?
like Luffy, I want to be free. I don't want to answer anybody. I don't want to listen to anybody. I want to do what I want to do.
So you are not answerable to anybody.
I don't want to answer to anybody.
That's true. If you had to apply anime skills to your job, which character's ability would you go and apply it?
Erwin Smith.
Okay.
See, I am an MC and I'm also a content creator.
Okay. Okay.
And Erwin Smith, the guy gives an amazing speech.
Okay.
He can control crowd or can control entire army with just his words.
Yeah,
And I want to be someone like that.
I would want to be on Naruto. Will you accept me as a student?
Yeah. Unless I want to see the sexy jutsu first.
Okay.
Only if you can do that, you will be my Naruto. More sexier, bro.
Okay. Sorry, man.
I am playing Gojo Satoru.
And I'm Geto Suguru.
And why did you choose this particular character specifically?
Yeah, the JJK show traumatized everyone, so I came here to.
Personal inspiration. This guy inspires me. I aspire to start a cult.
So, what are the qualities that made you feel attracted towards these anime characters?
So my character is like the strongest, so to embody that.
He's not only is he the strongest, he's also very depressed, very pessimistic.
Yes.
He's pessimistic and an absolute cynic, and for some reason that's hot.
Yeah.
Okay, then I think your
better than me.
so I think your character needs to have counseling.
I need counseling.
Anybody who wants a JJK needs counseling.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. If you're gonna have any anime character as your career mentor, who would it be and why?
Nanami. He used to be an office worker. He was a sorcerer, and he was an office worker again.
Okay.
And he has insane professionalism. So obviously he has contacts everywhere.
Okay, and you?
I would be, for me it would be Kakashi.
Kakashi Sensei.
Yeah, Kakashi Sensei.
Okay.
Really.
That's great. And why Kakashi Sensei specifically?
He teaches good, but at the same time he is fun. Like, thousand
Okay.
Yeah.
1,000 years of death. Okay.
So he's fun and also teaches good. So, yeah.
Which anime world would you choose to work in, and what profession would you pursue there?
I would be a sorcerer in Jujutsu Kaisen.
Okay.
It's that obvious.
Okay.
If I was there, he will dive in 5 seconds max. So I don't want to be there.
Hi, my name is Kunal, and I'm playing Superman today, I guess.
Which is your favorite character?
I mean, I'm dressed as him.
Okay.
For me, it's Superman, yeah.
So what do you think? Will Superman beat Iron Man?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I'll cut it short for you. I don't think there's anybody Superman can't defeat. Although magic is a little tricky, but I think he can overcome it. I think that's his whole superpower, right?
Hey, what do you think? Which anime character or any other character can beat Superman?
Look, I don't know about beating because I truly believe that Superman should be able to overpower everybody. I think his whole superpower is about overcoming, but Goku can come very close.
Oh my god, okay, that's
would come
great.
very-
What career guidance that you got from Superman?
I think the whole persistence about not giving up, the embodiment of hope,
Correct.
I think that's something that's very much required professionally and personally.
Correct.
And I think you should continue to strive to, like, no matter the setback, carry forward, move on,
Correct.
believe in hope, have faith.
Okay, what are the qualities that you admire for Superman?
Oh, I think everything that pop culture thinks is corny, I think it's really good.
Okay.
I think to see a ray of hope in dark times, especially perseverance,
Okay.
I think Superman perseveres through everything.
That's true.
And I think even though he's a polar opposite of Batman, I think that's something they really have a mutual connect on. So I think that's something I would really take back. Yeah.
Very great answer. So how do you relate your personal life with Superman's life?
Oh, my personal life, I don't think I have anything in common with Superman's life. I don't know, I like journalism, but not to the point where I can take it up as a job. I don't even have glasses, so I don't know what I would have in common. But I do like the fact that he's surrounded by good people.
That's
And
great.
so am I, yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Is Marvel great or DC great?
Oh, dude, I think it's best to have both, man. I love. There's some things Marvel does that DC can't, and there's some things DC does that Marvel can't. So I think it's best to have like a
competition only breeds good stories for the viewers.
Well, quite a diplomatic answer you just gave me right now.
I'm going to be honest.
Well, you're a journalist, that's why.
I don't want to reveal all my secrets, right?
That's great. So can we just give a nice pose together? Can you just tell me what character are you playing, by the way?
I'm cosplaying as Captain America.
And why did you choose this character particularly?
I like it. I like the character and basically Steve Rogers.
How do you relate your personal life with Captain America's life?
I wanted to have fun, so that's why I did it. There's
Okay.
no particular reason for it.
That shield doesn't belong to you. You don't deserve it.
So, do you think that your career options are going around with Captain America, by the way?
No, not really.
Okay, why so?
I don't know. I'm just a student. I cannot save the world.
What do you think? Will Captain America win against Superman?
Yeah, definitely. He will win. Marvel is better.
What do you think? What is the one best thing about Marvel that DC does not have?
I don't know. The characters, I guess.
And what about like the animations that they play, Marvel versus DC?
Marvel has a lot better, I would say, than DC.
So what is that one ability that you want in your personal life of Captain America?
I just want to be worthy.
Do you think that Iron Man was Captain America who will win?
Probably Iron Man.
Iron Man, okay, changes in answer.
Gotta watch your back to this guy. Chance he's gonna break it.
Because he's
Avengers! Assemble.